Hi, welcome. In this video, we will see how we can quickly create a pivot table and analyze our data in a better way. So here I have a sales data set. I have six columns like date of sale, state, salesman, product, quantity, and sales amount. To create a pivot table, I can place my cursor anywhere within the data and can go to the insert tab and click on the pivot table. As soon as I click on the pivot table, I got this pop-up window where I want to create a pivot table in the same existing sheet or a new sheet. So I want to create this pivot table in the new sheet. So I am selecting new worksheet and click on OK. So once I click on OK, you notice that on the left hand side there is a pivot table template is generated. On the right hand side, you see all the data elements that I have in the Excel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the required columns. For example, I want a salesman and I also want product column, and I want a sales amount, and also I am selecting quantity. So I have selected four columns, right? So you can notice this. So for all four columns, the table has pivot table has generated. And for state, I am not going to add the state column into my pivot table. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to right click on the state column that I have and click on the add as a slicer. So as soon as I click on the slicer, so it has created a value like this. So using the slicer pivot table combination, we can do the proper data analysis. So you notice this slicer, I don't need to go back to the pivot table again and filter the data each time. So you can add a number of slicers like this. For example, state slicer I have, right? Notice this, if I click on the Delhi, so all my data elements are generated for Delhi. For example, who is the salesperson for Delhi, and what the sales amount that he has generated, and how much quantity for that particular product, right? Similarly, like I can also select a Gujarat state. You see, data is very dynamic, and as soon as you click on the particular state value, it is changing. So I hope this video is useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Whenever I publish a new video, you will get the notification. See you in the next video.